Alright, so we're back in it, and we're talking about price. And we're flipping a coin. One's gonna make me happy, the other's gonna make me sad. Jimmy gets the coin. I'll call it in the air. Just letting it land on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, you run it.
Ready?
Yeah. Tails.
Oh, wait.
Whoa! It's like our 5th time at Home Depot this week, but we're back for sandbags. This thing's got a break. I don't know. Alright, we made it back in the driveway, and it's literally starting to rain. So I'm gonna move this car again. Ice! Shit's gonna be easy. Told me I didn't speak too soon. Start here. Yeah. Back here too. It's upside down. And that is that. It is getting dark. We need to keep going. Let's get this thing up in the air. Look who showed up. And yet another rental. Oh, it's all blurry. Valvetronic. Ready for this cold start? And welcome back. I'm going and checking on the E30. Last little update that we had was setting up this beautiful canopy that we have here. This was how that ended, and it actually worked out really, really well. Blocked my car from all the rain. Small leaks that it has were actually a lot better. I had a cover on it for a little bit, but it actually kind of just left residue all over the car. So we're better now, and this thing lasted really, really well. Had to use some sandbags and some other little creative measures to keep it down, but it's pretty cool. So now I'm about to go over to the shop where my E30 is being worked on, and I'll kind of give you guys an update about how that's going. I'm excited to see it. I think it's gonna be awesome, and yeah, we're wrapping it soon, so I'm super excited.
On this side, we found a few little dings right here. I don't know if you've seen the dent right here.
This car been through it, man. Yeah, so this is the dings on this side. That's kind of crazy.
Oh, right here, look. With this, look, come over here. With the lighting from the reflecting off there, look, you can see all the dings.
Oh my god. Yeah, so this car might be taking more work than I had initially expected. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, and I want this thing to look awesome. So, I don't know, man. We're gonna get it done. Just straight powder. Damn, bro, they're putting fucking, what is this called? Acupuncture?
Yeah, there you go, that's what I was gonna say.
Alright, so we're back in it, and we're talking about price. And we're flipping a coin. One's gonna make me happy, the other's gonna make me sad. Jimmy gets the coin.
Mutual friend in between.
Are you flipping it?
Yeah, hold on. No, that didn't count.
Who calls it? We could let.
You call it.
I call it?
Yeah.
I'll call it in the air? Just letting it land on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay, you run it.
Ready?
Yeah. Tails.
Oh, wait. Tell us what?
No! That's Joe, man. I'm deal, man. You're good. Fuck! I lost the coin flip.
My God. Of course you did.
There we go.
Yeah, brother?
Yeah, wait, let me see what this looks like. Yeah? You pulled it?
Yeah, I need to clean that.
Holy shit!
Oh, shit.
You just touched that. Alright, so we finished it up, leaving the shop. Vizu is $1,400 down, but hey.
That's no butterflies I've ever seen.
Stop, bro, holy crap. I don't think I have any gas. God, I didn't even show you, but it has 4 miles in the tank. Should I hit John's car? There he is, I'm gonna hit him. Bam! And whoa, focus, focus, focus. It is the next day. I'm here with the E28. We have the daily across the street. We have Mom's car right here, which we're actually going to move a little bit further into the driveway. Just to update you guys on what's going on today, we're going to a really cool car show at Ancillary Studios, which is right by South Coast in Costa Mesa, right near my house. Really, really local. I'm going to go with a couple friends. We're going to bring the E28 out just because I'm thinking, why not bring it to a cool show? And then after that, I don't know, might kick it with some friends, but later today, we're going to be working again on the E30, getting that bodywork dialed, and yeah, just seeing how far we can get on that thing. My speedo keeps stopping. It's good now. We have to see it. Woo! Alright, so we had a hard time parking, but we just made up a spot because this guy did, and we're cool like that. And now this guy's copying. That's how we like it. What's up? How are you? Nice to see you. Amazing. Hi. How are you? This is his other car. Are actually used space. Yeah. We've seen this at Origins, right? Yeah, Origins. It won the two-step. Literally, right? Dude, that intake's bigger than like my face. Literally.
Fucking on, this man's vlogging on the DS.
Look, I'm not, look, it's 3D.
That's funny. But we also got this thing, it's pretty freaking sweet. I love the orange.
They allowed this in here, but not my car. What the fuck, bro? Oh hell no. Pits and paddock, y'all making me question y'all. Oh hell no. I don't care. I'll judge every Z owner because I have a Bill Z. Hell no.
Bro, there's so many meets where my RX-7 can't get in.
Yeah.
Like, what the
Man,
fuck?
it happens all the time.
happens.
It's just about who's there. It's just about who's friends
I'm about
with
to
who.
go put my
It's
nuts on
okay,
this
man.
car. Like, I'm just letting you guys know, rotary swapped R34, near future. Stay tuned. But we can't talk too much about it because the big YouTubers will find out and then they'll do it too. So
They can't do it
yeah, we got it.
Paul has to do it.
How you doing, bro? How you doing, dude?
Josh is here, Josh is here.
What's up? What's good, my guy? How are you?
How are you?
How you doing?
We're back to check out Tyler's car. You know the vibes. We're still walking, still having a good time. I haven't seen Andy or Sam. I saw them walk in, and they have completely disappeared on me. So I might have to find them. We found Paulie's car. And you know, it's not done. It's not perfect.
Of course, it
but
never is.
Yeah, it's
Never
getting
is,
there. And I wasn't ever expecting it to paint it like some crazy color or anything, but that kind of
Damn,
just
so
came
this
with it,
is
man.
paint, huh?
Yeah.
Really good paint, though.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. I painted it myself. I haven't even buffed and polished it.
Better than what we did to my 86.
Oh fuck
that's
yeah,
for sure.
I'm glad. I want to say bye to Paul. got a little two homie car here.
I'm gonna actually take this time to talk about this. I want to start a series. I want to review my homies' cars.
I got a lot of friends that are building cool shit. Jill's building a cool car. Cameron just got this thing and it's freaking cool. Obviously, he's got work to do, but hey.
I want to spend more time looking at my friends' shit and telling them how freaking awesome they are. That was cool.
Flashier.
We found Josh and the Skittles car.
Skittles car!
I started.
2, 1.
Excuse me, miss, what do you do for a living?
I suck dick.
Oh my God, Sam! What? Did not hold back. Damn! Come on. Oh my God. Tessie found Kurt the Prius. That's like my favorite thing ever. Bye, Esteban.
You're beautiful. I love you. If you guys aren't already, like, comment, subscribe.
I love you, Esteban. Bye. That's so cool. Okay, this is a weird thing that I kind of want to ask your opinion of. My homie wants me to delete this trim.
But what do you want to do?
I don't know. He just thought I was just wondering if, like, would that look good? I don't know if
Well,
it looks good.
does it continue on with the bumper or no?
Well, the bumper does go here, so it does keep that line.
Yeah,
That's why I like it.
it's continuous.
Yeah, because then it'll match here. Yeah, no, that's stupid.
Yeah.
Sorry, Pilo, this for you. Fuck that idea, man. That's bullshit right there. I'm gonna like it as gray. It's gonna be like a gray primer, right, or like a
I
white?
can do gray, white.
It doesn't matter. You can do colors.
Yeah. Well, those are like the three basic colors.
yeah, that's what I thought.
Gray, white, or black. Yeah.
So we just checked in with the body shop real quick to see how my stuff is going. And we are back in it. One more morning. Breakfast on the table. Ready to go. Cold start. 2. 6 settled. Can someone tell me what that is, man? Oh my god. That's just wild. Well, the car's warming up and we're ready to go to the Rose Bowl for the second time. I didn't vlog the first time, but this time I'm gonna do it.
Look at this. I just kind of stole a parking spot. We'll see if anyone gets mad, but I made it to the flea market.
I just like told the guy in security that I was dropping stuff off at the booth, so now we're dropping stuff off at the booth, but we're gonna go see everyone. And I can't wait, look at this.
What the heck? What's up, man?
How are you?
Yo.
Oh, look at this guy.
What it do?
How are you? Nice to see you.
I know that guy. Wait.
Can we get this too? In a second.
Oh, you're doing it?
Wait, let me look like an expert first.
Yeah, okay.
All right, let me look.
Sorry, no practice, no practice.
Guys, what does Wix mean? What does Wix mean?
Did you get a new camera?
If that,
Oh, my shit's gonna come out. What's up, Snap fam?
Snap fam.
What it do, boys? It's your boy. Oh dear.
What it do, boy?
What is up?
You gotta say
every time. I'm just like, every time I see this camera. Is that a new one?
No, it turned black.
Did you pay him?
No, it's like a rubber.
Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh.
All right, so imagine having money.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we are back home. Look at my car.
All cute and under this because it's about to rain. It's about to rain, so I put the car under a cover, under a bed sheet, and under the canopy because it is literally sprinkling out. But that does not stop us from going and doing some work on the E30, which is at the body shop, getting a lot of that stuff done that we were talking about before. Pretty sure he's primering it today. If not, I don't know, just finishing the bodywork, but I helped out and I'm gonna help out a little bit more today. Fortunately, homie John is getting like so much more done than I had initially expected him to, and I initially had expected to do more of the bodywork myself, but bodywork isn't something I want to mess up. I want this car to have a perfectly paint prepped surface. I wonder if it's light enough in here. A perfectly paint prepped surface so that when/if somebody along the line wants to go and actually paint this car, they can unwrap it and do so. I don't like it when a car is wrapped and it's just hiding poor bodywork underneath it. I want this thing to last, and Johnny is doing a really, really good job making that happen. Ooh, I might try to throw, I'm gonna throw some body stuff in here real quick. 1 second. Okay, so I got the stuff and we're moving. If you can't tell, I got a front bumper, some side skirts, and a wing for the MTech 1 kit from Garagistic, baby, sitting in my bag. So, oh my God, I just almost stalled my car. That was crazy. Crazy. This whole back was like a terrible spot with all that shipping.
Yeah, it starts to, it starts to come up.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this is crazy. All those tiny ones.
Yeah, it's a little bit more blocking, and you'll be straight.
Still though, you can tell. It is gonna be so much nicer because we were practicing it before, trying to tuck the wrap like under there along with the knife, and we could.
But it's gonna make it
it's just gonna make it so much better. So you just go up to here and cut it.
Exactly.
And same thing with here. I think this one we figured out that we can tuck this if we really.
Oh yeah, here I'll show you right now.
Yeah, okay, a little bit easier. Damn, the amount of dirt.
I was looking at it. Yeah, it's barely short.
That's crazy.
I'll probably pull it out a little bit, but it's a little short.
Yeah, it looks like right here because we pull it.
Yeah.
All right, got the body kit up front. We're gonna have to cut this. So I figured this out like last week or a couple weeks ago because I was holding it up. I didn't know I'd actually have to cut it. So it looks like we're gonna figure out something to cut around here. Heck yeah. So that's just one of the modifications I'm gonna have to write down because there's no proper video on putting this kit together yet. Like Garagistic made it. They've like shown off a few things, but nobody knows how to put it together.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to do a bunch of custom stuff.
We'll make it sick so it's like makes it like plain and simple.
Exactly.
Just till we get the fog length, and then we'll cut more.
Yeah, see what we need to.
Yeah.
Also, I want this. And come forward.
What's up, Reddit? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, this is kind of a lame update in the morning, but a couple things happened last night. One, I had to go home at about 9:30, 10 because my canopy that I was so proud of setting up flew away in the wind. It literally started falling apart. There was too much wind. My mom calls me because she is desperately holding it for me and is like holding it by one hand because the thing's about to fly away. And yeah, the E28 was just not having a good time under there, and I was afraid it was gonna get hit by one of the poles, something hectic. So got it all taken down last night. It was really, really sketchy, but fortunately we got it done. Unfortunately, it was still raining, and I don't have a car cover. I don't have, like, I have a few car covers, but they're not that good. And I didn't have anything to like properly set this thing up. So the car was left overnight with simply the cover that I had that's not waterproof, as well as some tarps that I tried to make work. It did not work very well. And I'm now driving it somewhere to put it under something, because as you can see, it is raining pretty bad. I've pulled my carpet up over here because if I could show you this video on my phone really fast, I will. We are talking like a couple inches of water, and this is like better than it was before. But then I went and I looked under the carpet, and you can see when I go ahead and push on it, I think next step for the E28 is going to be I tear out this entire interior, I revamp my seats, I fix the carpet. I might not need a new carpet, like the carpet's good, it's just wet. So I'm gonna get this situated. I'm probably gonna go sit at Phil's or a coffee shop or something, but right now I'm gonna go park the car at Avenue of the Arts because luckily Josh still lived there for a little bit, so I can hopefully park the car under that covering. Check this out. We made it to the hotel, and I'm right now stripping my car apart in this parking garage. Yeah, I just took out these interior strips right there. As you can see, I pulled the carpet up over there, and yeah, I'm just trying to do the best I can to, like, I don't know. I knew it'd be bad. Just didn't know how bad, I guess. So I'll be able to get some towels under there, you know, make it a little bit better. Guys, we just got hit with the worst problem. I've been dealing with this for a second now, but my trunk is stuck open. I've had an issue before where it got stuck all the way at the frickin' top. But now, the mechanism is like broken apart down here, and I can hardly show you, but this piece flung all the way up. I had to release the tension so that I could hopefully like fix it. And I'm having trouble. I'm bummed out right now, guys. This morning has just been, it's just been a whole mess. So we'll see how this turns out, but right now I'm kind of stranded because I'm not going to leave my trunk open. At least we got some cool company. I'm still depressed, but it's fixed. It's still like molding inside, probably, but the trunk's shut, and that's what we're focusing on. And we're forgetting about this car forever, and we're leaving it here forever. Guys, I discovered something cool. I always wanted to be able to park slightly in front of that, like here, or next to this thing. Or next to that. Look at this building. Imagine right there. Oh my god, we can have that guy in the background. Oh my god.
What the heck? What's up?